submandibular gland, and it's again a salivary gland, and so it's going to be basically the same as the parotid gland, where you're going to have vessels and ducts and arteries and veins in the connective tissue and also in some of the secretory tissue. So just looking at this right now, just at this magnification, you can almost begin to see, okay, this is going to be a small artery here, this is going to be a small vein here, and this is going to be a duct right there, okay? And so this is going to be a small vein right here, this is a vein right here, and then this is an artery, all right, a small artery. Now let's just go up in magnification and see if we're right about that. Okay, so this crap that's on the right there, sorry about that. Somebody was chewing tobacco or something, I don't know. So you can look at this and see now you can, at this magnification, you can really begin to see the endothelial lining right there. So this is a lumen, this will be the tunica intima, this is going to be the tunica muscularis, and then out in here is going to be the tunica adventitia. You can see that. Okay, now if we go down to, we'll come back a little higher magnification so we can see that. You can look here, again, this is a lumen, there are going to be endothelial cells along the edge, and then this layer right here is going to be thin, but this is going to be smooth muscle cells here, and then the adventitia is going to be out in this region here, all right? And it's not, all the cuts are not always perfect. Now let's go down and look at the duct, so you can see a little difference in terms of the cell types that are there. You can see that, I mean, it's a little blurry, but you can see that in fact these are certainly not smooth muscle cells, and they're certainly not, there's no endothelium there. So when you can see these, it will look very clear to you that these are different cell types, and these are the things that will pass the saliva to the outside, okay? All right, we'll go up a little bit higher magnification and look at some of these a little bit better. Now, again, this is that vein that we saw, and so you can get a sense of what's there. And again, it's really pretty easy then when you get up, you can see the endothelial cells very clearly. Here's the tunica media here. There's the endothelial cell at the end of at the tip of the arrow. There's another one right here. You can go up here. There's another one right there. And then this right there is the tunica media, right there. And then out in here is going to be the tunica adventitia. This goes to here, okay? So you should be able to see that without any problem. All right, now, that's the same thing. That was an H&E stain. Now we'll go to the medium artery stain, and this is one that's going to show the internal and elastic lamina very nicely, okay? And so once we see that, then life is good. If you had a good microscope, black would be even better. Okay.
That is strange.
This is now, I believe this is Bierhoff stain. I don't remember. Okay, so we're going to see if we can see the lamina.
Okay, what slide is this? 6.
Well, this is staining the elastic tissue. The elastic tissue that's, or the elastic fibers that are in this artery with this particular stain, and it's not really as nice as I saw before, but it should be okay. All right, this is now all of you get ready to say your prayers. So you can see this. You see this undulating little system here. I know it's hard. I know it's hard, but it's there. That is that's as bright as I can get it. That is the internal elastic lamina.
Where's the pointer?
Okay. And there is an external elastic lamina. It's not as prominent here, but it's there. And you'll have to look at it on your own slide. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so anyway, here's the tunica. Oh, there you can see it a little bit. You can see it a little bit there. So here's the lamina. You can see these undulating lamina right in here.